Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be transferring myself from this pretty queen, oh gorgeous. I'm still going to leave a link up there for you guys. Then I'll be transferring myself from this to this. Okay, so guys, this is a Spider-Man inspiration look. Guys, if you enjoy this, please stay tuned. All right. Okay, so guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing me here, we have fun, we cruise around, so please make sure to subscribe, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. All right, let's go right into the video. Alright guys, so I'll be using my KR eyeliner gel in black to sketch out the parts that the Spider-Man's eye will be on, if that makes sense. So guys, honestly, I really want you guys to subscribe to my channel, because see the number. Okay, you guys are really trying, because I know that the number of those that are subscribed to me, they are actually higher than those that have not subscribed. But then I still know that there are other people that do come back to my channel to watch my videos, and yet they don't subscribe. So please, maybe they forgot or something, but please, if you're among them, please help me and subscribe to my channel. Here in this channel, we have fun, we cruise around with makeup, we do all the doables with makeup, so if that makes sense. So guys, please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel. So in this video today, I won't be doing much of a talking, because action speaks louder than voice. So guys, I'll just be showing you guys every single product I'll be using, and as well as listing them on my description box, so do well to check them out. I'll definitely list them on this description box, definitely. All right guys, so if you see me looking up, please, I'm looking at my mirror, because my mirror is right up there where my ring light is, so that's why I look up, because I'm using my ring light stand to hold my mirror as well. Okay, so in case you see me looking up there, I am actually looking at my mirror. Yeah, I started this look around 10 p.m. because of work. I was not able to shoot in the morning, so I had to come back from work just for you guys. I'm stressing myself a lot for you guys. I came back from work, I ate, I had to eat, change, and I started doing this shoot by 10 p.m. When I finished this look, it was around 1. I will not lie to you guys. I'm not lying. I am not lying. I slept around 2, because it took me like 1 hour to clean off and refresh myself for bed. So it wasn't a day job. So guys, please, I beg you to subscribe. Alright, so I'm going to pull off this cloth, because I still want to work on my chest. Hola, so I have done that, and I'm going to paint my chest. At a point, I noticed that using brush would just be so boring, like it would take me a whole lot of time, so I changed over to using my hands, and it was much faster, but it's more like, yeah, I know, but I just had to do it. It's my body, it's my hands, everything, so bear with me, okay? All right, so guys, enjoy the video. I'm sure you will enjoy it, because I really had fun creating this look, and I'm sure that you guys will definitely enjoy this tutorial. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. I keep on lamenting on this. Do not forget to subscribe, okay? All right, so enjoy the ride. I'll see you guys, or I'll talk to you guys when I'm almost done. All right. All right, so getting to this arm part, guys, it was almost difficult to see myself. So I was stretching my face, stretching. I couldn't just do it, so I had to like readjust my mirror. Yeah, I had to readjust my mirror. Then the thing started working out for me. So, all right, guys, you see, I was not now stretching. that's it, guys. That's it. That's the outcome. I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys, and if you want me to continue creating something like this, please do well to drop that on the comment section. If you watched to this extent, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around with me. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. Please try and check out my other videos. Bye.